Lola. Good morning, Lola. Good morning, Lola. Where are you? I'm at Lola. Huh? Are you at Lola? Huh? Are you at Lola? Say good morning, Lola. There is Lolo. Huh? Do you have a good sleep today? Huh? Do you have a good ride? Did you have a good ride in the car? You did. Huh? Hi. Good morning. Good morning, my Lola. Good morning, my Lola. You're not gonna say good morning? Good morning. Good morning, my sweetie pie. Good morning, my baby girl. Good morning. Who's that baby girl there in the car seat? Who's that baby girl? Is that my baby girl? Huh? Good morning. Good morning. Can we say good morning? Good morning, my sunshine. Good morning. Say good morning.